Today's Daily Dose of Math looks at the cylinder. The cylinder is one of the shapes that we have to get used to working with in math courses. It's a three-dimensional shape, so it has volume, but of course it has area as well. The cylinder has a radius and a height, and we need these values to do the volume formula and the lateral or total area formulas. The cylinder has a circle as its base, the same circle at the top, and a curved surface on the sides. Looking at the volume of a cylinder formula, we see something familiar. The volume is equal to pi r squared h. Pi r squared, though, is the area of a circle formula. So when we look at this volume formula, we can see that we're taking the area of a circle, the area of the circle at the bottom, which we find with pi r squared, and then we're multiplying it by the height of the cylinder. When you think about what volume means, filling up the space inside the shape, it makes sense that you would do this. Another similarity we might notice is the similarity to the volume of a cone formula. The volume of a cone is pi r squared h over 3. It's the same as the volume of the cylinder, but divided by 3. This is because any cone has exactly 1/3 the volume of a cylinder that has the same height and radius as the cone. So this shows us that we don't really have so many formulas to memorize. We don't need the volume of a cone formula, because if we know the volume of a cylinder formula, we just have to apply it and then divide by 3. But we also don't need to memorize the volume of a cylinder formula, if we can remember that it's simply the area of a circle formula multiplied by the height of the cylinder. Therefore, knowing the area of a circle formula really tells us 3 different formulas, so long as we remember some simple facts about cones and cylinders. Similar things can be said about the circumference of a circle formula, which is 2 pi r. Notice that the lateral area of a cylinder formula is 2 pi r h. It's the same except multiplied by the h. We find the circumference of the circle at the bottom of the cylinder, multiply it by the height, and we know the lateral area, the area of this curved side. But also look at the total area of a cylinder formula. It's 2 pi r times h plus r. This means the same thing as 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r r, or 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. Well, the 2 pi r h would be the lateral area. To that, we're adding 2 pi r squared, the area of a circle, times 2. So again, if we remember these facts about the cylinder, that's a couple more formulas we don't really have to memorize. The cylinder is today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.